Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be doing some culinary experiment. Today we are going to be making cordon bleu. As you can see here, I have my ingredients prepared.
You will be needing salt and pepper, toothpicks, plastic wrap, sliced cheese, sweet ham, chicken breast, eggs, breadcrumbs, and don't forget the flour.
So let's get started. Okay guys, so before we start, I'd like to remind everyone, wash your hands first. I washed my hands already, so let's start. First, what you want to do is get your salt and your pepper, and you will want to sprinkle some on the chicken breast. Spreading the pepper and salt on the chicken, just like this. Put some more pepper in there, just rub it like that on the chicken breast. Okay guys, I'm finished putting pepper and salt on the chicken, so I just have to wash my hands again. So now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna get the cling wrap, and what you want to do with the cling wrap is you want to put it onto your table or your chopping board. Oh, I don't have scissors. And oh, there we go. I have scissors. So I'll just have to cut this thing. So once you have your cling wrap wrapped on top of your table, what you're gonna do is get the chicken. Get one of the chicken breasts and place it gently onto the cling wrap. Okay. Next, what you need to do is get a slice of ham, put it on top, and also some cheese. Also want to put that there. Just like this. This is what it's supposed to look like. What you want to do next is you want to roll your chicken like this. So usually these things don't hold. So this is where the toothpick comes in. You want to get one toothpick here and poke just like that. There you go. Next, you want to wrap it with cling wrap so it will maintain its shape. So you get cling wrap, you wrap it around just like that. I usually poke it, there we go. Poke a hole there, and put it on there, and I roll it just like that. There we go. And the size you want to turn it into like a candy. It's like a candy wrapper. So what I want to do is repeat the steps and until you're out of chicken. So here's a time lapse. So I just finished wrapping them up. So I waited for about 30 minutes. You have to prepare the eggs, breadcrumbs, and your flour. So you're gonna open them up just like this. You have to remove them from the cling wrap. So let's do it. I will also remove the toothpick just like that. Look at that. So there we go. You can see now it is rolled very well. So first, you want to dip it on the floor. Just like that, I dip it. Oh no, I think I need a bigger bowl. Got a bigger bowl. So after putting flour, you put egg. after that, repeat the steps. So here's a time lapse. Okay guys, so now it is finished. So now we are gonna fry it. Okay guys, so now we have the pan with oil. We're gonna heat it up. Yeah, look at that. Okay guys, so now I have my tongue here. The pan is ready, it's hot. What I'm doing now is get it and put it like that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, yeah.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, so this is the last step. You just have to cut it.
It don't look
There we
very
go.
appealing.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, so this is my cordon bleu. Just kidding. This is the actual one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like down below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any new videos. And as always, we'll see you next time. Bye!